Hello, everybody, and welcome to Neat Mentor. Today, we will talk about an update, kind of like there is no official update, but we are giving an update regarding expected exam date for NEET PG 2021 and INI CET examination. There are rumors getting floated over social media through WhatsApp, Telegram group, Twitter, Facebook, and all the social platforms about NEET PG exam dates, and some other rumors are coming up. So we will try to clarify all those rumors based on the current update and official update. As such, there is no update, but based on the some points, we will try to figure out what can be the expected exam date for NEET PG and INCT. We will also look through the current scenario for COVID-19 cases, okay, per day. Before that, before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. You can like the video, share it, and comment on it with your views. In the description, you can find a Telegram group link which you can join. It will benefit you in your NEET PG 2021 or AIMS FMG related all the updates and process. There are links provided in the description for ebooks that will definitely help you for the counseling process details for the previous years, and you can have a tuition fee cut-off marks for branch wise, so you can download those PDFs. Okay, so, and if you have any kind of questions related to counseling, we do provide paid counseling guidance, so you can contact us on 9319128677. So let's get started. First thing, we will see, we will try to assess the current COVID situation. A couple of weeks back, when we had discussed on the same thing, the number of corona cases per day was over 4 lakhs per day. Today I just checked and it's less than 2 lakhs. So in 2 weeks, if you are looking at reduction in the corona cases by 50%, is half of what it used to be on daily basis two weeks back. So you can expect the corona, we are getting control over corona COVID-19 second wave, and it is expected that soon we will have a better control over it, and we can think about, even government can think about conducting the examinations, not to the huge examination like a NEET UG and NEET PG, but a smaller examination like FMG and all. And you must be knowing that NBE has kept the same date, that is 18th of June, for FMG examinations. From PMO, there was decision taken that the examination will not be happening before 31st of August. That is going to stand same, and they have asked all the NEET PG aspirants or final year MBBS students to contribute as a COVID warrior in as a doctor in COVID duty. So it was a period of 100 days of corona duty. So that should get over by 18th of August. By 18th of August, 100 days of corona duration will get over, and they had also promised for NEET PG 2021 candidates who participated for corona, they will be awarded as some kind of certification. This on behalf of 100 days they serve for corona duty, and before announcement of examination, like before the examination date, 1 month prior to examination date, they will announce it the examination date, and they will allow 1 month of time for them to resume the preparation or revise the preparation they have done before joining the duty. So if you see 1 month duration for NEET PG preparation, suppose in the best case scenario or average case scenario, by 18th of August, 100 days of corona duty is over, and then they give 1 month of duration for preparation for NEET PG, then is going to be 18th of September to be examination date. If not 18th of September, then by end of September. So we can say by mid or end of September, you can expect NEET PG 2020 examination to get scheduled, and it will get announced 1 month prior, so that all the candidates who even participated as corona in corona duty or didn't participate in corona duty due to any reason, they will be having 1 month of time for preparation at least. So examination is not going to get conducted before 31st of August because they have scheduled all the things as per corona duty, and there is news, there is a kind of possibility if we don't take it as seriously and we start taking it lightly, that number of corona cases per day is getting reduced, there is chance of third wave. So the government is not going to let it go lightly. They will keep on tracking all the things on very strict basis, and I don't think that 100 of days of duty can be preponed. They can't finish it before the timeline. Okay, so you can't expect the examination to happen before 31st of August, but definitely there is a high chance of examination to happening by mid or end of September for NEET PG 2021. Now talking about INI CET examination date. And see, FMG examination date is still 18th of June as per NB. It's not sure. It will all depend on the current situation. And talking about INI-CET exam date, so it may happen by end of July, considering the number of cases is getting reduced, and the government can take decision, because if you conduct all the examination at the same time, it's going to be difficult to manage or administer all the examination getting conducted at the same time, because NEET UG, NEET PG, INI CET EAMS examination, FMG, and some other board exams will also come into picture, because all are postponed due to COVID. So they will plan to conduct the examination in chunk basis. Okay, so you can expect INI CET examination to get conducted by end of July. By that time, we will have a very good control over corona, and there is no third wave coming. We will have that kind of confirmation as well. Now talking about rumors. So we could see the rumors getting floated over social media that we can lose this 1 year of session. So that's actually not happening. The country and the PMO and all the government, state government, central government have understood how important is the need of doctor, and how what is the need of we need to improve our medical infrastructure by resources and all kind of equipments, beds, oxygen plant and all. So they can't take any chance by kind of like skipping 1 year. So the examination will definitely happen, and don't go along all those rumors. If we are sure that examination will be happening, it will be happening a bit late, but definitely there is no news like 1 year of session will be missing. Okay, so NEET PG 2020 examination will definitely happen sooner or later, and I have told you the examination date, expected examination based on our analysis. If our analysis goes wrong, then also we apologize, but the expected date help you in how you frame your preparation, how you segregate your time, how you distribute your time. So in that factor, it will help you definitely a lot, that this is the expected date as per the current scenario. Then how you can plan which subject you can cover, and in detail how you can plan your study. So that's it from our side, from NEET Mentor side. If you have any kind of question or any discussion you need, you can comment us in the comment section. We'll look into it. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.